Hey, what's up, guys? Just back here for the rest of these polls right here. So, yeah, did pretty good yesterday, my boy. He's gone now, so just gonna finish him up here. But hopefully we get something good tonight. But so let's get right into them. Probably just get to the rest of them. But so wish me luck. Hope y'all having a good night. Had a great time with them, as always. As always, for sure. Alright, let's get right into it. Like I said, starting off with the commons: Ember Paladin, Shining Armor, Tomb Raider, Muffet Noble, Fell the Pheasant, Charm Sleep, Little Roving Keep, Weather Mine, Lockwing Paladin, a Ginger Brew. For the commons there. Get into the uncommon, the Lucky Clover, Arcanist Owl, Belly of the Brawl for the uncommons, and then looks like for my rare, gonna get Escape into the Wilds, and that's about it. So, not too bad for the first pack. Like I said, this was pre-banned and stuff all about, so kind of hoping. I already got Once Upon a Time, so that was pretty cool. So hopefully get some others. Not that matters anyway, but Oko still definitely I want. But alright, getting into the comments for the second pack here. Another Ember Paladin, Prize Griffin, Wishful Merfolk, 7 Dwarves, Foreboding Fruit, Scorecap Spider, that's crazy. I don't know if I've seen that much. Jousting Dummy, Out Muscle, Bully Your House Down. Just kidding. That's it for the commons there. Once a Future, All That Glitters, Lock Dragon for my uncommons. And then for my rare, looks like it's gonna be Clackbridge Troll. Oh, and then a foil rare too. Cool. Which that's Pyromancer there. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Cool. I haven't even seen that much on a non-foil, so that's cool. Like I said, so double rare pack, that's pretty cool. Right on. Alright, I don't get that too much, so I like that. I mean, I'd rather have double mythic, but you know, we just won't be, pickers can't be choosers, right? But alright, let's get into the third pack here, see what we get. Wish me luck. Alright, starting off with the commons: Rimrock Knight, True Love's Kiss, Witching Well, Maleficent Noble, Rosethorn Halberd, Tall as a Beanstalk, Borrow Witches, Weapon Rack, Beloved Princess, Vantress Paladin. For my commons there, let's see what we get. Shambling Sue, Claim the Firstborn, Calderon's Gift. Cool. And for my rare, the Fae of the Witches. Cool. I like that. Just a single rare this time. Alright. Not too bad though still. I'll get that rare. Then on to the next pack. Let's see what we get. Hope everybody's having a good night. Said I had a good time with my boys and stuff this weekend. Did some hardcore playing, wrestling. We did open up some of the other packs yesterday and stuff, and did some nerf and everything crazy. Alright, fourth pack here. Getting into the commons: Run Away Together, Merchant of the Veil, Youthful Knight, Rosethorn Halberd, Tempting Witch, Scalding Cauldron, Bottle Witches, Corridor Monitor, Gambrig Paladin, Dwarven Mine, Tournament Ground. Oh, that's it, just for the commons there. For the uncommons, looking at Tournament Grounds, Jonathan Locke, and then Joust. And then from our there we go. For my, looks like it's just gonna be this one, but for my rare or for my mythic, the Brazen Bow. Brazen Bower, sorry. But so cool. Right on, there you go. Another mythic, alright. Cool, that's good for the fourth one. Still got a couple to go, so let's see what we get. Alright. Starting off with the commons here in the fifth one. Rimrock Knight, True Love's Kiss, Reaper of the Night, Turnvale Treefolk, Lockplane Paladin, Ginger Brute, Trapped in the Tower, Golden Egg, Idyllic Grange for the comments, and then get into some Epic Downfall. I love this one. The Oakham Ranger, and then Improbable Alliance. And then for my rare, looking at Foil of the Fancies. I haven't even got that yet, so that's cool. Players have no maximum hand size. Then each player draws a card, and each opponent puts a number of cards equal to the number of cards in their hand from the top of their library to the graveyard. That's pretty sweet. Nice. I actually kind of like that. And then yeah, I'm pretty sure I thought I seen a foil, so the foil basic in terms of nature. And that's pretty sweet though. Do like that. Do like that. And just a token, but alright. Cool. Yeah, that's cool though. Right on, right on. Send. Got that again. That's cool. I don't think I've got that one yet, so it's cool. Kind of just like putting these in like my ledges and showcase borders. So you just first. It all goes in the sleeves once I get done categorized, but and I kind of just throw things I like in there right now, though, for sure. Alright, on to the next pack. Starting off with the basics. Ogre Arrogant, True Love's Kiss, Wishful Merfolk, Bloodhaze Wolverine, Memory Theft, Outmuscle, Prophet of the Peak, Redcap Raiders, Gingerbread Cabins for the commons there. Getting into the Shepherd of the Flock, Keeper of the Fables, Beanstalk Giant for my commons, or uncommons, sorry. And then for my rare, it looks like it's going to give me Stormfist Crusader, and then foil uncommon there. The Mad Ratter there, that's cool though. I don't think I've got that one either, so I do like getting things I don't got yet. Kind of complete the set. So that's cool though. Alright, and then yeah, Stormfist Crusader for my rare. That's nice though. I'm not sure if I got that one yet either. So, alright, cool. Oh, not too bad so far, you guys. Hopefully you guys are liking these polls. Wouldn't mind pulling a Gurk or Oko yet, but so far not too bad. So far not too bad. So we got a few left here, so let's get into it and see what we get here. Alright, next pack here, starting off with the basics. True Love Kiss, Witching Well, Embereth Paladin, Prize Griffin, Return to Nature, Giant Skewer, Jousting Dummy, Scorching Dragonfire, Witherwood Tracker, Baked in the Pie. Alright, for the commons there. Then looking at Sorcerer's Bloom, Embereth Shieldbreaker, Sage of the Falls for my uncommons. And then for my rare, looks like it's going to give me Witch's Vengeance. Alright, cool. Creatures of the creature type of your choice. Get a -3 until the end of turn. Nice. Good little field wipe there. For only a 3 drop, that's not too bad. Right on. Alright, on to the next pack. Alright, starting off with my basics here. Fairy Guildmother, Queen of the Ice, Crystal Slipper, Tempting Witch, Insatiable Appetite, Prophet of the Peak, Scorching Dragonfire, Merfolk Secret Keeper, Fierce Witchstalker for my commons. And then getting the uncommons, Flaxen Intruder, Tournament Grounds, Arcane of the Absolution. And then for my rare, looking like it's going to be Bone Crusher Giant, and then another foil basic. It's cool. Explain Vision there. I like that. That's sweet. Draw 3 cards with Adamant. Nice. Alright. Cool for that pack. So, hope everybody's having a good night. Get into the next pack here. Let's get these wrapped up. Set another foil basic. That's sweet. I do love the foils there. That's awesome. Alright. Next pack. With the basics here. Raging Redcap, Lonesome Unicorn, Return to Nature, Firefox, Witch's Cottage, Maraleaf Raider, Hengewalker, Searing Barrage, Beloved Princess for the commons. And then on the non-commons here, look at Mystical Dispute, Wintermoor Commander, Ferocity of the Wilds, and then for my rares, looking at Fey the Wishes, and then foil uncommon, Turning the Pumpkin. That's sweet. And then just the lands and tokens there, but that's sweet though. Yeah, that's awesome. But alright, and then just Fey the Wishes. Wrapped up. It's cool. At least this one's uncommon. It's cool. It's cool. I dig that. Alright, on to the next pack here. Wish me luck. Get down to them though. Hopefully. Alright, so get into the next pack here. Starting off with the commons, Little Youthful Knight, Apt, Thrill of the Possibility, Battering Cow, or Battered Cow. That's funny. I don't see that too much. Festive Funeral, Curious Pair, Wicked Guardian, Prophet of the Peak, Scorching Dragonfire, Merfolk Secret Keeper for my commons. And then on the uncommons here, looking at Rally of the Throne, Joust, Edgewall Innkeeper for my uncommons. Then Mirror Maid for my rare. It looks like that's gonna be it. So cool. But alright, there's my rare. Just copy enchantment. It's sweet though. Just 3-drop like that. Alright, getting down there. Got about 5 left here, so. Alright, starting off with commons here in this pack. Looking at Mantle of the Tides, Raging Redcap, Lonesome Unicorn, Didn't Say Please, Lash of Thorns, Skullcap Spider, Forbidding Fruit, Curious Pear, Gingerbread Cabin, Steel Blaze Griffin. For my commons, Steel Claw Lance, Redcap Melee, Canada's Transformation for my uncommons. And then for my rare, gonna give me Lockmere Serpent. And that's it. So there's my rare there. But alright. Get on to the next one here. Kind of hoping for something a little better, especially being a pre-box, but not too bad still though. Still ain't mad. I like cards either way, so, but alright, starting off with the uncommons here, looking at Opt, Blood Haze Wolverine, Shiny Armor, Festive Funeral, Return to Nature, Blow Your House Down, Baked in the Pie, Signpost Scarecrow, Unexplained Vision for my commons. In the uncommons here, looking at Hypnotic Spray. Wow, sorry. Hypnotic Spirit. Defending Silence and Rampart Smasher for my uncommons. Then here for my rare, looking at Vantress Gargoyle. That's sweet. Man, look at that. That's awesome. I like him. Definitely. But alright, and then just a foil land, which is sweet though. And then just my regular and token. But that's sweet though. I still love those foil lands. Alright, and the gargoyle. Got 3 packs left, you guys. So getting close. But I still got a another bundle pack too, and just for right now here. So, but let's get into this next pack here, which I'll do that in another video here. Just getting through this for tonight and stuff. I still got a lot done to get tonight, whatever. Alright, starting off with commons in this next pack here. Misfit Ridderturtle, Weaselback Redcap, Fairy Godmother, or Godmother, Queen of the Ice, Reaper of the Night, Return to Nature, Fierce Witchstalker, Gingerbread Cabin, Steel Glazed Griffin for my commons. And then on the uncommons, Spinning Wheel, Resolute Rider, legendary creatures, Human Knight here. Yeah, that's awesome. I still like those guys. All my legendaries. And then for my rare, looking like it's gonna give me Wildborn Preserver. And then two rares, and then a foil. Return the Wild Speaker, nice. So that's cool, double rare. One foil, that's awesome. And yeah, just regular land and token, but sweet. Alright, cool. I'll definitely take that. But only got 2 left though, so we'll see. Or 2 packs or whatever, so. But cool. I like that. I definitely like getting double rares. That's cool. Alright, second to last, you guys. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Alright, starting off with those comments. Didn't say please. Weaselbag Redcap. Prize Griffin. Mantle the Tides. Trinivale Treevoke. Reaper the Night. Unexplained Vision. Signpost Scarecrow. Baked in the Pie. Will blow your house down for my comments. Alright. Katija Surge. Trail of the Crumbs. Another Human Knight. Legendary Knight here. Cool. I do like my legendaries. Definitely. For my rare. Looks like I'm gonna get Gadwick there. So that's sweet. Cool. And then just, yep, foil and token, or land and token. But, alright, cool. Well, one more pack, you guys. Wish me luck. Haven't got Oko or anything yet. So wish me luck here. Last one. Last one. I mean, I have all my other boxes. It's like the third box for but not in this one yet anyway. But alright, starting off with the comments. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. So Tiny. Barged In. Rosenthor Aculite. Scalding Cauldron. Brimstone Trebuchet. Crashing Drawbridge. Talls of Beanstalk. Burrow Witches. Weapon Rack. For my comments there. And then on the uncommons here, Defending Silence, getting down there, you guys. Hopefully, Elite Headhunter. Savvy Hunter for my uncommons, and then looking like it's going to be a Murderous Rider, and then just a foil uncommon Keeper of the Fables there. So alright, cool. Well, that's still not too bad. I still ain't mad. That Murderous Rider is awesome. I actually pulled a couple out of this box now, so that's cool. I definitely use him in my mono black and some of my other ones and stuff, so definitely not bad. Alright, well, yeah, like I said, Murderous Rider and foil Keeper of the Fables for the last one, you guys. So, thanks for stopping in, and you guys are awesome, and hope everybody has a great weekend, and thanks for tuning in. Have a good night. Later, y'all.